Hi, I'm Seth. Every day of the Omer, I'll be doing something new, all from my New York City apartment. Each week has a different theme. We'll also be learning about why the Omer is such an amazing time. Counting is a mitzvah, as we get ready to celebrate receiving the Torah on Shavuot. Hopefully, this will show you that you can try new things during these tough times and learn a few things on the way. Every day, from Passover to Shavuot. 7 weeks, 49 days. Let's #Omer grow together. In New York, it's always tempting to order pizza, one of my favorite foods. To resist that urge, today, day 11, we cooked Baked Ziti. It has similar ingredients to pizza, so it curbs that craving. Not only is it fun to cook with people you love, it's a great activity to do at home. And you have tons of leftovers. Sometimes strength and might come through the stomach. What are you cooking today? Now, let's count the Omer. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher kiddushanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu al tzvirat ha'omer. Hayom shnayim asar yom shehem Shavuot echad v'chamisha hamim ha'omer. Tonight begins the 12th day, which is 1 week and 5 days of the Omer.